In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit, and manage custom order statuses in WooCommerce. We'll go through the full process from installing the right plugin all the way to confirming that your new custom statuses appear inside your WooCommerce orders. This is a useful setup if you want more control over your order workflow and need statuses that better match the way your business operates. To begin, install the WooCommerce Custom Order Status Manager plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Make sure the installation completes successfully before moving on. Once it's installed, activate the plugin so its features become available in your WooCommerce settings. If you skip activation, you won't be able to access the order status tools. After the plugin is active, open the Order Status Management section. This is where all of your custom order statuses can be viewed and managed. Take a moment to look around this area, because it will become the main place you return to whenever you want to add, update, or remove a status. Next, click the option to create a new order status. This opens the setup screen where you can define how the status will appear and behave. Enter the status name carefully, since this is what you and your team will see when managing orders. Then complete the other available settings. These settings may control things like display behavior or how the status fits into your existing workflow, so it's worth reviewing them closely before saving. Once everything looks correct, save the new status. Saving makes it available for use in your WooCommerce store. If you plan to use several custom statuses, it's a good idea to keep the names clear and consistent so your order process stays organized. If you ever need to make changes, open an existing custom status to edit its name or settings. This is helpful if your workflow changes over time or if you simply want to improve clarity. After making your updates, save the changes so the revised version takes effect. You can also delete an unwanted custom status when it's no longer needed. This helps keep your order status list clean and prevents confusion for anyone managing orders in the future. Just be sure you're removing the correct one before confirming the deletion. Finally, open a WooCommerce order and verify that your custom statuses are available. This last check is important because it confirms that the setup worked properly and that the statuses can actually be used in your day-to-day order management. That's it. You now know how to install the plugin, create custom statuses, edit them, remove them when needed, and confirm they appear inside WooCommerce orders.